This is a Vic 20 running some game clone. I'm not 100% sure, but this is Vic 20 with a custom adapter cable here. It's got a 3.5mm end as well. Fancy schmancy. Running off of a floppy SD emulator on this Vic 20 with this joystick. Of course, you're never going to get this look on a modern LCD, because LCDs suck for retro gaming. Yeah. And also, Commodore 64 bread bin emulator. That's literally all it is. It's funny. This is also missing the shiplock key. We still have to put that back in. Yeah. That'll do it for this video.